Well, hey, my lighting is so bright. It is. Look like a human being now. Right. Hey. Another issue. Ke rekisha moriri because ke rata go bereka ka tlhogo full-timeously, so do not mind my wig cap. No, I lied. My bonnet. What's again? Like it already wig cap today. Ke bereka ka wig cap today, so you'll understand. Anyway, ke nyaka go bolela ka taba she. Do you see why is that focus? Kinky curly. It's a curly hair. I'm gonna install a picture somewhere to show you the nature of this hair. The pictures that you see and the pictures that you receive and the product that you receive. You need this type of hair. This kit. I'm just gonna take it step by step. This kit because you guys buy this hair over snapper and you don't know for this hair or if it's more that picture. You need to work, honey. You need to work that hair. I don't know if you need to do something. Okay, this is the hair to those that they don't know what I'm talking about. This is the hair. Okay, this is someone's hair, but anyway, it will rubbish again. But let me show you. First, this is a nice decision. You see how beautiful these curls are. I'm going to destroy them. Anyway, first of all, this type of hair, you need to buy, or it looking nice, you need to buy closure 13x4. I can't remember 13x4 these days. I start ear to ear, okay? So you need to buy this type of hair. It looks nicer compared to 4x4. Okay, this is the hair. I don't know if I should put it on my head. Yeah, let me do it. Okay. This is the hair. Okay. I was like, let me remove this. Okay, don't mind my hair. Do not. Here para wiki, retire from the back. You put your thingy. My braids are big. I wanna let adjust I pull the whole thingy. Okay? Alright. Do you guys see? Oh God. So I'm going to hover from here, and then yeah, I'm trying to show you. This hair is not pre-plucked. You have to take a tweezer to do what? To pre-pluck the hair. Like Mara, I'm going to take you step by step. Ne? Don't worry. Got the pre-plucking. Then too much. By the way, I saw okay. Right. Because this thing I got white. You remove it. And I don't know, you cut a mirror ruchikwa, or just scare what you fast or cut. Rekata mirror illimotlo. So you can do nice definitions looking on her hair. Right. This is what you call. This is the hair. This hair we kira ilkamho. Wabale stress. So first of all, I can remember volume fast. So first of all, you're just gonna take your hands and tlatlamolla these things. Or the tlatlamolla to get them to the volume you want. See? But yeah, just hang in there. I'm just gonna go and fetch it. Yeah, I'm back. So you need to tlatlamolla this. You need to tlatlamolla it. Hey, ma di-calci di a tloga gwa sereng. Listen to me, the pro. You tlamolla this kakamo. Yeah, this part the one that you saw from your Instagrams and little straight, blah blah blah. This is what you saw. Now, do you see when you comb this hair, this part, this is what you saw from the Instagram. You guys okay, and then how we rega so then tell more rekisha from com. Lang understand? Practical. Like baby steps. This is how now it looks after you comb it. I guess now you're going out, you're going on it, it's your birthday. Nice. So do you see the difference? It's your choice. If you boom, you continue. My sister, you continue. You come at the hair, kakamo echo to neska kakamo right, I've arrived to this volume. Do you see? Now, you're going to take your products. Installation. This is the part where you before but if you didn't there comes your kit. Kit ya gago go na le kelala by Jackie for sure Number 2, defining mousse. Number 3, go to be spray. Number 4, a wave whipping curling mousse. Okay. Number 5, honali extra hold. Number 9, ne? This once it's a market number, you get number 9. You don't watch it number why? Because kiwis. Kamu haruna le. College. Okay. Number 1, ke ntwane le re tlemang ka yona ke ha re no kry engwe le engwe re nyaka ya silic ga o ka berekisha mashela a mangwe o tla bona e tlo shalela mohlolo. Okay, dipini because o tlo bereka ka di-sections. Your brush for the baby hair, you see, that's another pin. Most important, your wig cap. Okay, so I think my video ends here today. Okay, one other thing, people they go by a shopong, they get this like mousse hona fa ba kry this mousse wa bona gore o metse ge o tshela so just go get it. This is the last because we're okay. So I don't know le wara ka di wave tša lena gore di kinkies di tša lena di tlo ba le stress. Baby number 1, our obvious. Okay. O sa dira moriri o berekela godimo ga mannequin ne, then you go in. Oh Lord, God, the torch, Jesus. All right. I don't know if you see. Here is your curls. Mara, ga di swana le tša ka. No, these are volumized. If we're gonna search English, where are we? Yeah, we are here. Okay, in goes muse number 2. I'll tell you inch. Either I'm going to go matata na bishu. Other I'm matata. So because this kinky vele, our beautiful hair. Redefine the curls no. I can read the camille. Redefine more volume ye re nyaka. I could club with the volume no nyaka. So define the kills. This is what you do. You shot I can do one. What do you call it? What stick? So this one you order most number. Let me not remember still okay. Get a moriri. Okay? It lo thusha moriri ga go direng o ska kra o le mo o fly. So o tla bo o le still o move ka direction. So I tlo tla le ona o tlo change. The one that goes deep in a lot is baby Jackie. All right. Okay, because today I'm not going to plug moriri o. I'm going to the rest of the things, which is got to be, and the other clue, and because JD Baraka closure. Yes, I think I've summarized your stress. You guys stresses a lot, and this hair, I fought with a lot of people. I fought with almost 4 customers with this hair. So, you know, hopela gore re ithuteng like re beng le info ka this plucking. And then how to from here. Oh, the last part. Oh Lord, here's my comb. I forgot. Before applying the mousse all over my fellow, you comb. You kills. You comb them. Look how gorgeous. Look how gorgeous your hair will be looking. Oh Lord. Okay. So I'll take you step by step. Do not worry. And then you will look like your favorite celebrity. Let me show you. Let me pull this a bit. You'll have that volume that you saw on your Instagram. And you'll be here, man. You look like a rich aunt. Yes. Do you see? Do you all see? Let's see from the side. Do you get it? Do you get it? Okay. If you do, I do. I'm sweating. Goodbye. It's a goodbye from me.